I got a little excited there. I think what we should be working on next before we get too far and forget what we're doing is we are going to put our primary chain adjuster back in, and we're going to get our primary chain adjusted real quick. Pretty easy to do. We're going to be checking the free play inside of the chain. It's about 5/8 of an inch. Give or take a little bit. We're going to have our hands inside this hole here. I'm going to check the chain flop. 5/8 of an inch is what we're after. I had it set before, so my nut should be almost pretty much where it should be. That's about 5/8 of an inch, give or take a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to take a wrench. There we go. Oh, I have the wrong size wrench. 1/2 inch. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now we'll work on the lines.